Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan and today, Wednesday, 6th December 2023. I have some trade setups to discuss where my favorite directions will be long on the New Zealand, the Swiss and the Yen. I want to short the Aussie, the US and the Euro. My first pick of the day is a potential short on the Aussie Yen, but before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I will show you my favorite trade ideas always. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. The Aussie Yen, you can see here Aussie way weaker than the Yen up here. I have had this one up yesterday also, the support could become potential resistance, missed it last night. So I still think there's a potential that we can test that level, and then I'll look for some short opportunities up there. DAX trade yesterday, 4-hour consolidation. I did this on the live stream. If you follow the live stream, you saw me executing this trade live. You could have done it with me, but it wasn't a 4-hour entry here. It was a 1-hour entry. We saw the consolidation. We had the breakout, the retest, and a nice piercing line candle bullish. And then we took the long up there and it's kept going, and target was set at 16,595 and that got it last night. So very nice 1 to around about 2.5 risk reward. Very basic trade, a break, a retest, a candle reversal, and up it goes, and great stuff. So gapped up last night, hitting our target, now coming down. Glad I'm out of the trade, and I gained well, for every 1% of risk, you gained about 2.5% of your portfolio. Then for today, I don't have a specific interest in the DAX here, so I'm going to take that off my list for today, but it might be back tomorrow, but for today, I'm not going to watch it. In the pound New Zealand, I'm still waiting for that retracement back on this flag pattern, the break, the retest. We got the pound way weaker than the New Zealand, so if it retraces back up there later today or tomorrow, I'll then look for some short setups. The Dow Jones, nice consolidation, battling to break, nice flag pattern. I see a consolidation within a consolidation. So if it gets back down here, I will try to get a 1-hour or 4-hour reversal. If I don't get that, then if it breaks up that high, then I will look for the break and the retest. With the dollar still very weak, that stock market bullish, and that's why also I did the long yesterday on the DAX because of the euro being so weak. But this focus on the Dow Jones, so the retest here, it's a consolidation I see here. If it retest and bounce, I'll take the long there. Otherwise, a break and a retest there based on a weak dollar, and that is stock market bullish. Gold, after the big sell-off, I'm still waiting for my level to be tested around roughly 2007. I would love to see the 2000 levels being tested. At this stage, I'll wait patiently. I'm not going to chase into this thing silly. Dollar very weak, so I still want to be long on gold. In the New Zealand US, I'm still trying to get another entry. New Zealand US, you can see much stronger, all the sparkle on the New Zealand side. Missed yesterday my level, didn't get anything there, but I'm still waiting for the retracement. There's always a potential during the morning sessions before the US Open that we can see the retracement, and then into the afternoon get a buy signal. But I'll keep an eye there for a strong New Zealand long trade. In the US Yen, US way weaker than the Yen still. I'm still interested in that level at the 61% Fibonacci of this last swing here. It keeps missing it. Missed it there, but I'll see what happens when it gets there. It might shoot through the roof, and then I just step away. But if I can get some candle reversals there on the short side, I'll then go with the shorts. In the Euro New Zealand, also breaking down the flag pattern. I'm waiting for the retracement. We never got back to the Fibonacci levels there, so I don't think they're on the charts anymore. But I need that retracement before I'll touch it. Most likely going to break and then rally up. That's typical for a morning, but Euro very weak, the black sheep of the market at present. And so this one, I'm going to wait for a retracement before I do anything. And the Euro Yen also a little bit way off before we get there, but I'll keep it on my watch list. I got the Euro much weaker than the Yen, so I'm still very much interested in shorting this, but not at these levels. I'll see if it starts to find its way up the page there. That's the earliest I will try, unless I get some consolidations here later this week For now, I'm waiting up there. Highly doubt if that's going to happen today, but I'll wait patiently. Pound yen. Pound definitely weaker than the yen, forming a little bit of, I can call this a flat bottom triangle also. So you can see a flat bottoms there, and then we have the falling tops. So if it retraces back up there, I'll go for the 61% Fibonacci level at market structure there, the pound yen. But if I can get a breakdown here, a nice breakdown here, maybe a retest and a counter reversal, then I will be interested in shorting this. You can see here the flat bottom. Market every time hits the lows, but fails to even remotely hit the highs. So that shows a lot of bearishness. If it breaks, we've got a 70% chance of this thing working. So I'm going to keep my eyes on this one today. In the Aussie New Zealand, well, I still going to need a retracement. Aussie much weaker than the New Zealand. So I will see by the time it gets up there. You can see market structure being picked up there, there, and there. It's a very strong level where the Aussie and the New Zealand meet. But I will see what happens if it gets back up there. I'm not saying it will go there. It's only when it gets up there, I get interested. US Swiss, cautiously, but still want to be short here. US there, Swiss up there. Just looks like almost like a bottom reversal here to me. But as long as the dollar stays weak, I'm interested in that support, that resistance. When the market gets back up there in that zone, I'm going to look for some shorts. But I will be cautious. Then my favorite trade idea for today is a potential short on the Euro CAD. But first, please let me know in the comments below if you want me to make any specific educational videos for you. Also, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this channel a thumbs up. You need that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on my daily trade ideas. Now, the Euro CAD forming a nice triangle. If you look at the Euro there, very weak. CAD gaining in strength over the last few days. So I spotted this triangle continuation pattern. So it's busy breaking. So I would love to see a break on this pattern, then a retest and some candle reversals. But any bearish setups here, it is all fine taking a straight short on the breakout. It's not my type of trading. I do it under certain circumstances, but not on this one here. Anybody is welcome to do that. For me, I need a solid break, then a retest confirming the level, and then a bearish reversal. But then I'll definitely look for some shorts here. With the Euro so weak, that is definitely my favorite direction for today. The trading isn't just about my insights, guys. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. Support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link in the description, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.